In today's video, we are reviewing the first of the top 5 dividend stocks for 2021. With the threat of inflation potentially pushing interest rates higher, we are already seeing the projected strain on growth stocks, especially with the sky-high price-to-earnings ratios based upon increases way out in the future. We all like the income from solid dividend stocks and know that in 2021 we need to look to stocks that deliver value, do well in the COVID recovery phase, and outpace their industry's competition. The first stock in the top 5 dividend stocks for 2021 is Exxon Mobil, ticker symbol XOM. Today, I am sharing an evaluation of XOM and why I recently added shares of this stock to my portfolio. But do keep in mind that this is information for your review and is not financial advice. XOM is a stock that was beaten down to a negative PE in 2020, but is now outpacing other stocks in the energy sector. Let's discuss this stock's attractive dividend, the potential to grow a portfolio in 2021, Analysts' 12-month price projections, plus a technical analysis of XOM's stock chart. Hi, investing friends. This is Lynn with 60 Perfect Ways to Wealth. And thank you so much for joining me today. So let's go and review today's hot stock. Just before we do that, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Insider Monkey recently published an article reviewing if Exxon Mobil is a smart long-term buy. Since the beginning of the year, XOM delivered a 34% return, while its 12-month gains are up by 27%. Recovering oil prices on improvements in demand for crude and other distillates helped fuel strong performance across the energy complex, including shares of Exxon. The company's financial results have improved markedly from the COVID-related low demand shocks in 2020. This is easing concerns about the sustainability of Exxon's dividend that is among the largest in the S&P 500 index. Before we look at analyst projections for this stock, XOM's Yahoo Finance profile reflects Exxon Mobil's significant market cap of $250 billion and the attractive dividend yield of 5.92%. There are two primary things to look for with dividend stocks. The dividend yield, how much a stock's annual dividend payments are, divided by its share price, is key. Just as important is the ability of the company to continue paying and preferably increasing dividends over the long term. The stock's average trading volume is 28 million shares per day, and the stock's prices range from $31 to $62 per share over the previous 12-month period. Yahoo describes the XOM chart as bullish due to its engulfing line and lists the analyst target price for the stock as $62.92 per share. But certain key analysts reviewing the stock believes its price could go even higher. TipRanks has 18 analysts over the last 3 months, providing an average price target for XOM of $63.56, with a high target of $90 and a low target of $45.50. The $63 target would provide a 7% upside. Now let's look at the price target provided by 4-star JP Morgan analyst Phil Gresh, who has a 69% success rate with his price target predictions. Phil also has the highest success rate of all the analysts in forecasting accurate Exxon price projections. Phil Gresh focuses on the utility sector and recently maintained his buy rating for XOM. Phil has published an impressive 12-month price target for Exxon of $74. We look at a company's insider transactions as a key insight into their forward-looking view of the company. In reviewing the 1-year chart from E-Trade, we see awards of stock options indicated by the light green vertical bars, insider stock purchases via the dark green vertical bars, and very little selling. XOM insider Ubin Jeffrey W. purchased 177,000 shares on March 2nd, 2021, and in the previous year, insiders purchased 71,000 shares of their company's stock. In checking FinViz Elite, I noticed that institutions own 52% of this stock, a testament to its stability. Now let's look at the crucial areas of resistance for this stock. The XOM 2-year stock chart shows a red line support level of $51.33 and a lower support level at the blue line's $32.40. The closest resistance level is at the yellow $61 line. The higher resistance level is at $71. The 10-year chart shows a gradual downward slide since 2014 with a firm upward movement in 2021. Note this PE trend chart from E-Trade showing the negative PE for XOM in 2020 and the PE improvements projected through 2024. If you found value in this video, if you haven't yet, please give it a thumbs up. I'd also appreciate knowing if you own shares of Exxon Mobil, plan to make a purchase, or can suggest other dividend stocks for our review. Do keep in mind that these videos are for entertainment only and are never a suggestion to buy any specific stock. You will need to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Now make sure that you are subscribed to the channel to view the rest of the 5 dividend stock videos for 2021. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.